Right click, new sheet object. Line or arrow objects. If you want to display some lines or arrows on sheet, you have to go for this one. Or display horizontal line, line style. This one, line weight, line style. I want to display plain line, line color, it's background color, all those. Click on OK, see some line. Simply you can drag this one. This is horizontal line. Simply if you want to display some lines or arrows on sheet, you have to go for this one, right click and go. If you want to display vertical line, you can display. So let's drag this one. Display vertical lines. And if you want to display diagonal lines, right click, property, diagonally, climbing or falling. This one is climbing. Falling. And display horizontal line. And lines, if you want to display dotted lines, you can display dotted line. And if you want to display arrows, display double arrow, boost arrows means this one. This one. Simply if you want to display some lines or some arrows on sheet, you need to go for this one. We can apply actions for this. For example, go to Actions tab. Now click on this line. I want to open some Google page, whatever it may. Click on it. Go to the external. Open URL. Okay. Some URL. You can apply actions. You can apply different types of actions.